students. So continue the differential equation chapter. In last lecture we learned about the homogeneous differential equation, okay, and how to solve the homogeneous differential equation. So we'll see, continue here for the exercise 6.4. We'll continue for the exercise 6.4. Okay, before we start the exercise, just revise how to solve the homogeneous differential equation and how to check whether the given differential equation is homogeneous or not. Okay, whatever the differential equation is given to you, if the terms involved in that differential equation having the same degree, then we said that it is a homogeneous differential equation. For example, x square plus 2xy dy upon dx plus phi square equals to 0. Check. First term degree is 2. Second term degree, x degree is 1, y degree is 1. So total degree is 2. This degree is 2. So all the degrees or all the terms having the same degree 2. Okay. So it's a homogeneous differential equation. Understood here? So if the given differential equation is homogeneous, then simply we'll start with the substitution. So we are taking y equals to vx. y equals to vx. आता याच्यामध्ये ड्रॉबॅक कधी असणार आहे तुम्हाला, हे सबस्टिट्यूशन ऑलवेज करायचं. बट इफ इन द गिवन डिफरन्शियल इक्वेशन द टर्म्स इन्वॉल्व आर इन द फॉर्म ऑफ x अपॉन y, if the terms involved in the given differential equations are in the form of x upon y, only that time we'll do here the substitution x equals to vy. Okay, understood here what I said? Always we'll do this substitution for the homogeneous equation or homogeneous differential equation. But if in the given differential equation, if the term in the form of x upon y, at that time only we'll take the substitution x equals to vy. Otherwise we'll take y equals to vx. Done? So see here, the term, if we are changing the variables, along with that dy also change. Okay, so differentiate dy upon dx equals to, first into derivative of x with respect to x is 1 plus x into derivative of v with respect to x is dv upon dx. Then so we'll replace dy upon dx by this, y by this in given equation. Okay, so this is the procedure of solving homogeneous differential equation. So we'll continue for the exercise 6.4. Okay, so the question is, solve the following differential equation. They didn't mention that given equation is homogeneous or not. Okay, so whatever be the differential equation is given to you, first check whether it is homogeneous or not. आता लकीली आपण होमोजेनियस नंतरचीच एक्सरसाइज सॉल्व करतोय. सो सगळेच होमोजेनियस डिफरन्शियल इक्वेशन्स असणार आहेत. पण इन जनरल थ्रू आउट टॉपिक वर तुम्हाला क्वेश्चन विचारला, ते डिडंट मेन्शन की whether that differential function is homogeneous or not. So you have two choices to solve the example. Either using homogeneous असेल तर homogeneous च्या मेथड ना, अदरवाइज आपण जसे प्रिव्हियसची डिफरन्शियल इक्वेशन सॉल्व केले, likewise also you can solve. In both the cases you will get the same answer. Okay, पण homogeneous असेल तर it will be easy to apply this method. Okay, now see the first example of exercise 6.4. Okay, solve the differential equation. They didn't mention whether it is homogeneous or not. Okay, so first we are going to check whether it is homogeneous or not. What is the power of x here? 1. What is the power of this term? y upon x, both having the degree 1 1. So denominator say the power शिकवते subtraction. So 1 minus 1 0. So हे 0 आणि हे 1, total degree किती झाली याची? 1. Same like here. Okay, how much is the degree here? 1. What is the degree of x? 1. Understood here? So therefore this is the given differential equation. So start simplifying. X sine y upon x dy upon the dx. This term I shifted on LHS equals to y sine y upon x minus x. Okay, therefore, okay, so what substitution we are going to do, which is a homogeneous differential equation. Therefore, put y equals to vx. Okay, therefore, as we are changing the variable, along with that this term also change. So differentiate with respect to x. First, into derivative of x with respect to x, 1 plus x into derivative of v with respect to x, dv upon dx. Okay, this is equation 1, this is 2 and this is 3. So from equation 1, 2 and 3, substitute these two values in equation 1. Therefore, from 1, 2 and 3, what we will get? X sin y upon x. Okay, यहाँ से y upon x directly भी आप लिख सकते हो. So y upon x, how much it is? v. Otherwise आपको समझ में नहीं आ रहा है, no problem. Substitute y value vx, x will get cancelled. You will get v term. Yeah? dy upon dx term replaced by this term, v plus x dv upon dx. Then RHS, y replaced by vx, sin y upon x term replaced by v minus x. Okay, therefore x sin v, v plus x dv upon dx equals to vx sin v minus x. Okay, from RHS, which term will take common? X. So take that term common. So that common x will cancel with LHS x. Okay, therefore x sin v in bracket v plus x dv upon dx equals to x in bracket v sin v minus 1. Isn't it? From here we'll take x common. Okay, therefore this x and x get cancelled. Remaining term, multiply here, v sin v plus x sin v dv upon dx equals to v sin v minus 1. Okay, so on both the sides of equality this term is same, get cancelled, isn't it? So remaining term, x sin v dv upon dx equals to minus 1. Okay, so we can separate here the variables. After that procedure will be same, variable separable form. Okay, so v term separate, dx term separate. So we are doing here variable separable form or method. Therefore sin v dv equals to minus 1 upon x into dx. Okay, now variables are separated. What is the next step? Integration or integrating both the sides. Integrate both the sides. Integration sin v dv equals to minus constant outside, integration 1 upon x dx. Okay, therefore what is the integration of sine? Minus cos term, isn't it? So sine integration is minus cos v equals to minus 1 upon x. What is the integration of 1 upon x? Log x plus c, isn't it? Therefore we'll get here the answer log x minus cos v equals to c. Okay, this term I will shift it on LHS. We'll get log x minus cos v equals to c. And what is the last step of substitution method? Resubstitution. So remember that step. Okay, so log x, आपण substitution काय घेतली होती? Y equals to vx. ओके, रिसबस्टिट्यूट का करतो कारण की आपले जे ओरिजिनल दिलेले व्हेरिएबल्स आहेत, लास्ट आन्सर शुड बी इन दॅट ओरिजिनल व्हेरिएबल्स. ओके, लास्ट आन्सर तुमच्या ओरिजिनल व्हेरिएबल्स मध्येच असलं पाहिजे. दॅट्स वाय वी रिसबस्टिट्यूट. सो y इक्वल्स टू vx आपण घेतलं होतं सबस्टिट्यूशन, म्हणजे v ची रिप्लेसमेंट लास्टला काय करणार आपण, v इक्वल्स टू y अपॉन x. Isn't it? So mine is cos of y upon x equals to c. This is your required solution in original variables. Understood? आपण एक ऍडजस्टमेंट किंवा सिम्प्लिफिकेशन करण्यासाठी सबस्टिट्यूशन मेथड घेतो. ओके, त्यांना सॉल्व्ह झाल्यानंतर आपण काय करायचं, त्याचं ओरिजिनल फॉर्म लिहायचा. दॅट इज रिसबस्टिट्यूशन. Then so we replaced by y upon x. Understood here? So this is the required solution of given differential equation which is homogeneous. So understood here? So we'll continue for the next example. Third example from question 1. So see the third example. One plus two e raised to x upon y plus 2 e raised to x upon y in bracket 1 minus x upon y dy upon dx equals to 0. Okay, this is the given term. Okay, मी तुम्हाला एक्सप्लेनेशन देत असताना पण सांगितले होमोजेनियस ऑलवेज वी यूज द सबस्टिट्यूशन y equals to vx, but if in the given differential equation the terms included are in the form of x upon y, x upon y, x upon y, then mostly use the substitution x equals to vy. In that case only. Okay, तुम्ही y equals to vx जरी घेतलं तर it will be complicated. परत तुम्हाला अजून एक सबस्टिट्यूशन करावं लागतं. सो बेटर ऑप्शन विल डू द सबस्टिट्यूशन x अपॉन y, कारण की ते x अपॉन y सिम्प्लिफाय होऊन जातो आपला. ओके, सो चेक द इज इट अ होमोजेनियस. डिग्री ऑफ दिस टर्म 0, x अपॉन x, डिग्री ऑफ दिस टर्म 0, डिग्री ऑफ दिस टर्म 0, डिग्री ऑफ दिस टर्म 0, डिग्री ऑफ दिस टर्म 0. वेरिएबलच नाही आहे, obviously its degree is 0. Okay, so all the terms having the same degree 0. Okay, so it's a homogeneous differential equation, so we'll solve it. Therefore write it in proper form. 2 e raised to x upon y 1 minus x upon y dy upon the dx equals to, this term I will shift it on RHS, minus 1 plus 2 e raised to x upon y. Okay, which is homogeneous differential equation. Okay, that's why we are doing the substitution. X upon y equals to v, that is x equals to vy. Okay, therefore differentiate here the terms. Differentiate this term with respect to y. Dx upon the dy equals to, first into derivative of y with respect to y 1 plus y into derivative of v with respect to y dv upon dy. Understood here? So this is equation number 1, this is equation number 2, and this is equation number 3. So substitute 2 and 3 in equation 1. We get here the terms 2 e raised to x upon y term is v, 1 minus v x upon y. Okay, dy upon dx term is here and we'll get here dx upon dy. Okay, so याची ही टर्म काय आहे, रेसिप्रोकल और इनवर्स फंक्शन. ओके, आपल्याला माहिती आहे dy upon dx we can write it as dx upon dy, 1 upon dx upon dy. Okay, so likewise we'll write the terms. dx upon dy काय तर v plus y dv upon dy. Okay, equals to minus 1 plus 2 e raised to v. Simple. This substitution with just replacement will get this term. So rearrange them. Check whether some terms get cancelled or not. Okay. Therefore, this term I will shift it on RHS. So 2 e raised to v 1 minus v equals to minus 1 plus 2 e raised to v. This term I will shift it on RHS. V plus y dv upon dy. Okay, so simplify the brackets. 2 e raised to v minus 2 v e raised to v equals to, keep this minus side outside. Okay, 1 into v, 1 into this term y dv upon dy, 2 into this term 2v e raised to v. Shift it here. 2y e raised to v dv upon dy. Okay, so minus sign. Minus v minus y dv by dy minus 2v e raised to v minus 2y e raised to v dv upon dy, and 2 e raised to v minus 2v e raised to v. Okay, so this minus term and this minus term, both terms are same, get cancelled. Okay, so simplify the terms to get variables separate. So these two terms are same, isn't it? So combine them and shift a rest of the term on other side. Okay, therefore this term I will shift it in LHS. So 2 e raised to v plus v equals to, from here which term is common? Minus. Okay, y plus 2y e raised to v. Okay, dv upon dy. Along with y, one more term we can take common here. Which term? Y, isn't it? So 1 plus 2 e raised to v and we take y common. ठिकाणी आपल्याला व्हेरिएबल सेपरेट पाहिजे. v व्हेरिएबल सेपरेट, y व्हेरिएबल सेपरेट. आता सध्या आपल्याकडे दोनच ते व्हेरिएबल्स आहेत. So we'll separate those variables. v separate and y separate. So from here we'll take minus y common and rest of the term in the form of v only and this term. Okay. Now check whether we can separate them. Yes. This complete term we can shift it here. Otherwise dv term is here in numerator. So we'll shift this term here and dy and y term on LHS. Okay. So what we will get here? So जेव्हा तुम्ही व्हेरिएबल सेपरेट करता त्यावेळी फक्त एकच लक्षात ठेवायचं की डिफरन्शिएटिंग टर्म ही तुमची न्यूमरेटरला असली पाहिजे. बाकीचे अलॉंग विथ जे काही व्हेरिएबल्स त्याच्यात सिमिलर आहेत ती अरेंज करायची. इथं v न्यूमरेटरला ऑलरेडी आहे. सो v इथून हलवायचं नाही, दुसऱ्या साईडला जे v असतील ते त्या साईडला शिफ्ट करायचे. ओके, and dy हा डिनॉमिनेटरला आहे, that we will shift it on other side. Therefore what we will get? dy upon this y here, okay, equals to minus 1 plus 2 e raised to v divided by v plus 2 e raised to v. Addition आहे, just मी rearrangement केली. Addition तुम्ही 2 plus 3 लिहिला, 3 plus 2 लिहिला, term will be same. Okay, into dv. Any doubt here? Just we separated the variables, nothing else. Okay, now this term is completely in the form of y, this term is completely in the form of v. Now next step is integrating both the sides. Integrate. Integration 1 upon y dy equals to this minus sign common or constant, 1 plus 2 e raised to v upon v plus 2 e raised to v dv. Okay, so 1 upon y integration is log y, isn't it? equals to minus. Now if you observe this integration, okay, या टर्मचं डेरिव्हेटिव्ह काय आहे ते चेक करा. v with respect to v डेरिव्हेटिव्ह 1 plus 2 constant with variable as it is. e raised to v डेरिव्हेटिव्ह is e raised to v. म्हणजे याचं डेरिव्हेटिव्ह किती आलं 1 plus 2 e raised to v. जी टर्म तुमची काय आहे न्यूमरेटरला. And we know that formula. If in integration denominator's derivative is in numerator, then its integration is log of that denominator. डिनॉमिनेटरचं डेरिव्हेटिव्हची टर्म जर न्यूमरेटरला असेल तर त्या इंटिग्रेशनचं आन्सर काय येतं तुमचं लॉग ऑफ दॅट डिनॉमिनेटर. ओके, प्लस व्हॉट टर्म विल टेक हियर on both the sides of equality all the terms are in log, therefore constant we are taking here log c. Okay, therefore log y plus log v plus 2 e raised to v, this minus log I will shift it on LHS equals to log c. Log addition means term multiplication, so log of y into v plus 2 e raised to v equals to log c. Okay, now on both the sides of equality the term is having logarithmic with the same base. जर log same असतील तर त्याचे टर्म्स पण काय असणार आहेत सेम. therefore log get removed. Okay, so we'll get y v plus 2 e raised to v equals to c. Okay, इथं simplified झालेलं आहे. Now what is the last step? Resubstitution. What is the substitution? X upon y equals to v, isn't it? So v replaced by x upon y. So y v x upon y plus 2 e raised to x upon y equals to c. Take this y term inside the bracket. Okay, first term x upon y into y will be y get cancelled. So first term remaining is x plus this 2 into y e raised to x upon y. Okay, 2y e raised to x upon y equals to c. So see here, we'll get here the required solution of differential equation in original variables x and y. Okay, लास्ट आन्सर हे तुमचं x आणि y च्या फॉर्मॅट मध्ये पाहिजे कारण की ओरिजिनल दिलेलं डिफरन्शियल इक्वेशन in which form x and y variables. So last answer should be in x and y variable form. Understood here? So this is the required solution of differential equation. Understood here? Okay. Now we'll continue for the next example of homogeneous differential equation. So see here the next example. Fifth one. X square minus y square, x square minus y square dx plus 2xy dy equals to 0. Okay, so check whether it is homogeneous differential equation or not. This power is 2, this power is 2, x into y both having power 1 1 1 1 plus 1 2. So total term power किती आहे 2. Okay, so all the terms in this differential equation having the same degree 2. So it is a homogeneous differential equation. So solve it. This is the given homogeneous. So write it in proper form so that we'll separate dy upon dx term. So keep this term 2xy dy, shift this term on RHS, minus x square minus y square dx. Okay, therefore 2xy dy upon dx equals to minus x square minus y square. Okay, so if the given differential equation is homogeneous, then what is the substitution? y equals to vx. कारण की दिलेल्यामध्ये कुठेही x upon y टर्म नाही दिसत आहे. सो आपली इन जनरल जी काही सबस्टिट्यूशन आहे होमोजेनियस डिफरन्शियल इक्वेशनची, दॅट वी विल डू हियर. ओके, सो चेंज युअर dy upon dx also. So dy upon dx equals to first into derivative of x with respect to x is 1 plus x derivative of v with respect to x is dv upon dx. Okay. So this is equation number 1. This is 2 and this is 3. Substitute 2 and 3 in equation 1. Therefore, equation 1 becomes 2x y replaced by vx, dy upon dx replaced by this term v plus x dv upon dx equals to minus x square as it is, y term replaced by vx, so vx square. Okay, therefore 2vx square v plus x dv upon the dx equals to minus x square minus v square x square. Just we are the square of both the terms, v square x square. Now from RHS, which term is common? From RHS, which term is common? X square. So take it out. So therefore 2v x square v plus x dv upon the dx equals to minus x square term common, remaining term 1 minus v square. हे मायनस ऑलरेडी बाहेर आहे, इथून फक्त आपण x square कॉमन घेतला. ओके, therefore on both the sides of equality x square term is common, will get cancelled. Remaining terms, simplify the bracket. So 2v square plus 2vx dv upon dx equals to minus sign minus 1 plus v square. Okay, so write it in variable separable form. So for that we will do the adjustment. 2vx dv upon dx equals to minus 1 plus v square minus 2v square. Okay, so simplify. What we will get? 2vx dv upon dx equals to minus 1 v square minus 2v square is minus v square, isn't it? So we have dv term in numerator here, so we'll shift all the v variables in LHS and dx term on RHS. Therefore v dv upon 1 plus v square, इथून मी मायनस कॉमन काढलं. ओके, सो इथंच लिहिला तरी चालेल 1 plus v square. That term I shifted here. Equals to rest of the terms on RHS. So dx, already हे minus sign बाहेर राहिलेले. Okay, and this 2x on denominator. Isn't it? Otherwise, if you want, you will keep it here. Why we kept it here? याचं जर डेरिव्हेटिव्ह घेतलं, याचं डेरिव्हेटिव्ह किती येतं? 1 डेरिव्हेटिव्ह इज 0, v स्क्वेअर डेरिव्हेटिव्ह इज 2v. ओके, म्हणजे कंप्लीट डिनॉमिनेटरचं डेरिव्हेटिव्ह इथं न्यूमरेटरला मिळते 2v. त्यामुळे हे 2 along with v will kept it here. Okay, so left hand side completely in v, right hand side completely in x. So next step is integrating. So integrating both the sides, we get 2v 1 plus v square dv equals to minus common term outside the integration 1 upon x dx. Okay, therefore complete denominator's derivative is in numerator. Okay, 1 derivative 0, v square derivative 2v. So complete derivative is 2v is in numerator. So its integration is log of denominator 1 plus v square equals to minus 1 upon x integration is log x plus c. One more thing. Again, on both the sides of equality we are having logarithmic terms. So constant also will take in log. Okay, therefore log of 1 plus v square plus log x equals to log c. This term I will shift it in LHS. Okay, so simplify. Log addition means term, multiplications. So x into 1 plus v square equals to log c. On both the sides of equality, logarithmic term with the same base, log get removed. X 1 plus v square equals to c. Therefore, now we'll get the proper simplified form. So what is the last step? Resubstitution. Substitution, what we have done? Y equals to Vx. That is V equals to Y upon X. Isn't it? So replace V term X 1 plus Y square upon X square equals to C. इधर V square है ना? So V value Y upon X है. So V square is Y square upon X square. Simplify. जोपर्यंत simplify होते तोपर्यंत simplify करायचं. Okay. So cross multiply here. X in bracket x square plus y square upon x square equals to c. One of x term cancel with this. X square plus y square upon x equals to c. Therefore, we'll get here the answer x square plus y square equals to cx. आता याला अजून काही सिम्प्लिफाय करू शकताय का? No common term is there. Okay, and we'll get here the last answer in the form of original variables x and y. Okay, so this is the required solution of given differential equation which is homogeneous. Understood here? So we done here with for today's lecture. Okay, we done 3 examples of homogeneous differential equation. Regularly we'll use the substitution y equals to vx. Okay, in case in given differential equation x upon y terms are there, then only we substitute x equals to vy. Otherwise, we regularly use the substitution y equals to vx. Understood here? So in case of any doubt, just mention it in comments. Otherwise, mail me. Thank you.